Hi, I am Joshua Kabugnasan. This is a benefit activity, Module 3 assignment. The topic is traffic safety and control. So, traffic safety and control, or the traffic control, has three primary aims. So, first is it reduces traffic conflicts and delays. Second, it reduces traffic accidents. And third, it economizes police time. So, what is traffic control? Now, traffic control, it refers to procedures, devices, procedures, and communication system that helps vehicles and vessels to safely share the same road, rails, waterways, or airspace. Also, traffic control, it establishes a set of rules and instructions, which drivers, pilots, traffic engineers rely on to avoid collisions and other hazards. So traffic control has types, or there are types of highway traffic control. So first is the traffic signs, then pavement markings, um, traffic signals, priority control, and restraint. So the first type is the traffic sign. So traffic signs is any devices now mounted on like the highway, which conveys a message, for the purpose of regulating, for the, for the purpose of um, gives warning, or and no for the purpose of gives information, or to guide the traffics, to guide the motorists and the vehicles. So the traffic signs have basic shape, basic signs and classification. So the classification of traffic signs has three. The first one is the caution signs. Now these signs, or the shape of this sign, is actually a triangle shape with red borders. No, like for example, it a slippery road, or a falling debris or falling rocks. No, it gives warning. It gives cautions to the motorist and the cyclist and the vehicles also. Then the second classification is the regulatory sign. This regulatory sign, it regulates the movement of the traffic, or the movement of the vehicles in the highway. So, for example, on a bridge, there is a sign which states, or which illustrates a like for example, a 10-ton load limit, or in the highway there's only a sign about a 23 per hour speed limit. So that's that's the example. Then the third sign, or the third classification, is the informative sign. These are guide signs, or or it gives direction. Like for example, a hospital that gives a location, or a parking area, a bus stop, or only a one way. It gives direction to the motorists and the vehicles also. Then other basic signs are the railroad crossing, which is a yellow, with a black border, a yellow sign with a black border. Then the next is the yield sign, which is a triangular, um, equilateral, so or the triangle shape. Now then other basic sign, which is the most common and most understood by all, is the stop sign. It is an an eight-sided, or the octagonal shaped sign. This is a stop sign. Now, so before I forget, traffic signs have functions. It controls the traffic. It safeguards the flow of traffic. It to expedite the traffic, and to guide the motorist and vehicles. So let's move over to the next type, which is the traffic light. No, traffic light is used to control the traffic at junctions and to stop the traffic, to provide safe crossing for the motorists, for the pedestrians and the cyclists. So the traffic light, or the traffic signal, traffic light, it you can makita nimo na siya non intersections and junctions. Now it has three colors: the red, green, and the yellow. So the red is for stop, the green is for go, and the yellow is to prepare you to stop. The yellow is has a 3-second countdown. 3, 2, 1. Then the motorist, or the vehicles, and the pedestrians must prepare to stop. Then next is the pavement markings. So these are markings set on the road or on the highway. Then the pavement marking, it has different types also. Pavement markings, the reflectorized markings. These markings provide safety for the pedestrians and the vehicles. So pavement markings are signs set to the surface, or applied upon, or attached to the pavement or curbing. So traffic lines. Let's move forward to the traffic lines and barriers. So white line, the broken white line, it gives you permission. You can overtake, you can take U-turns. Then on the solid white line, or the continuous white line, you are allowed only to go straight. You are not allowed to overtake. You are not allowed to take U-turns. And next is the yellow line. The continuous yellow line, you are allowed to overtake, but only on your side. Like, for example, you're on the left side. You are only permitted to overtake on your side, not to the other side of the road. Then the double continuous yellow line, or the double solid yellow line, you're strictly not permitted to overtake on the road, or on the other side. You must stay on your side. You must stay on the left side. Then the last is the broken yellow line. You are allowed to overtake. On such road, you have the permission to overtake other vehicles and to the other side. Then there are also traffic lines, wherein there is a symbol of a straight ahead. These are lane only for straight traffic. A movement of traffic straight only, or movement of vehicles straight only. Then also there are left left side, or left signs. These are signs which you can take to the left, or there are signs you can the lane traffic can move to the right. Then also the both, the straight ahead and to the left, or the straight ahead to the right. So that's all for the traffic lines and barriers. So next is traffic islands. So these are areas in the roadway to channelize the flow of traffic. These were classified into 3. The first is the division island. It is constructed to primarily divide the stream of motor vehicles. The next is the channel island, or the channelized island. It is constructed to channelize, or to guide the flow of traffic. Then the third traffic island is the rotary island. It is constructed usually along intersection no, or rotondas, which gives, no, for the purpose of turning around, no. Like for example, the highway or the road going to Butuan, no, it has a rotonda channel or rotonda island, which, no, for example, vehicles, no, will go to the Butuan, then just the vehicles, no, must turn around, no, to the other or to the connected highway. So additional information, no, about areas where you are prohibited for parking. So first, the within an intersection, um, in front of a driveway, double parking is prohibited. 6 meters, no, to the intersection of the curb. 4 meters of, to the entrance of the fire station. 4 meters of 4 meters from the fire hydrant. Then also, no, to the signs or um, or symbols, no, which parking is prohibited. So that is all for the discussion. Thank you so much. My name is Kabugnasan. Good day.
Ay, salamat.